More than 25 schools have been set ablaze by miscreants in the last 4 months of unrest in the Kashmir Valley. Right now, I'm in Bandipora, to be precise, in Sadar Kutbala, where this middle school, a girls' middle school, was set ablaze. In fact, 4-5 days back, in the dead of the night, miscreants came in and set it ablaze.
हम कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, हम ना कुछ, हमारा सिलेबस भी कवर नहीं हुआ है, हम कुछ नहीं पढ़ पा रहे हैं. मतलब आप बोल रहे हैं कि एग्जाम्स करेंगे, एग्जाम जब हो गए, हमने जो पढ़ा ही नहीं कुछ, हम कैसे एग्जाम्स दे? हम घर में बैठे बेकार हुए हैं, हमें कुछ नहीं मिला है. इन 4 महीने बंद हुआ, कुछ फायदा नहीं आया. सिर्फ we are lost. With the burning of schools, the future of the children here have quite literally been gutted. Of the 25 schools burnt in the valley, 21 of them are here in South Kashmir, and the trend continues unabated, with the police and civil administration quite clueless as to who is behind this abhorrent ploy.
But unfortunately, people do not understand that sending their children to outside other states, or even in Jammu, or even in Banihal, and not letting anybody else who can afford, who cannot afford. So this is not right.
Home Minister Rajnath Singh met with J&K Governor N.N. Vohra, in which a report was submitted which very clearly indicated that the separatists and the anti-nationals are trying to target the educational institutions and school per se, so that the youth are not allowed to go to schools and they can be used as stone pelters. This is an important issue which is being looked into by the government.
This is a combination of madness and also perversion.
This is perhaps the single most worrying trend in the situation in Kashmir.
This is a kind of a self-affliction. This can cause an irreparable damage.